Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to deactivate Threads account. But first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Threads application. If you want to update your Threads, then what you're going to do is you have to exit first this Threads application right here. If you're using Android, then you have to look for the Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, then you have to look for the App Store. Here you have to tap on the search icon and then look for Threads. And if you see the update button right here, all you need to do is tap on the update button. Once done, then you can now launch or open your threads. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to look for your profile. So you have to click your profile at the bottom right corner, tap this one. And then here you have to click on the two lines at the top right corner, tap this one. And then here you have to scroll down and look for the account option. So you have to click on the account option right here, tap this. On the account section, you will see three options. And what you're going to do is you have to tap on deactivate or delete account. So here you will see the name of your Threads account and then the message if you're going to deactivate your profile or deactivating your profile is temporary, deleting your profile is permanent, only applies to your Threads profile. So you have to read everything, and if you're sure of deactivating your account, all you have to do is tap on deactivate. So to confirm, what you're going to do is tap on deactivate right here and your threads will be deactivated. You can just reactivate it anytime unless you delete your threads account. So basically, that's how easy it is to deactivate threads account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.